Hello, good morning to all. This is the last topic of your syllabus, Diploma Pharmacy second year, the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971. The Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971, an act to provide for the termination of certain pregnancies by registered medical practitioners and for matters connected therewith or incidental thereto, be it enacted by Parliament in this 22nd year of the Republic of India as follows. 1. This act may be called the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971. It extends to whole of India. It shall come in force on such date as the central government may be notified the official gazette or appointment. In this act, unless the context otherwise require, a guardian mean a person having the care of the person of a minor or a lunatic. Lunatic has the meaning assigned to it in the section 3 of the Indian Lunacy Act 1912. Minor means a person who, under the provision of Indian Majority Act 1975, the medical practitioner means the medical practitioners means a medical practitioner who possesses any recognized medical qualification as defined in Clause H of Section 2 of the Indian Medical Council Act 1956, whose name has been entered in the state medical register and who has experience of training in gynecology and obstetrics as may be prescribed by rule made under this act. Notwithstanding anything contained in the Indian Penal Code, a registered medical practitioner shall not be guilty of any offence under the code or under any other law for the time being in force if any pregnancy is terminated by him in accordance with the previous provision of this act. Subject to the provision of subsection 4, a pregnancy may be terminated by a registered medical practitioner where the length of the pregnancy does not exceed 12 weeks if such medical practitioner is or be where the length of the pregnancy exceeds 12 weeks but does not exceed 20 weeks if not less than two registered medical practitioners are of opinion formed in good faith that the continuance of the pregnancy would involve a risk to the life of the pregnancy woman or of grave injury to her physical or mental health. There is a substantial risk that if the child were born, if it would suffer from such physical or mental abnormalities as to be seriously handicapped, where any pregnancy is alleged by the pregnant woman to have been caused by rape or anguish caused by such pregnancy shall be presumed to constitute a grave injury to the mental health of the pregnant woman where any pregnancy occur as a result of failure of any device or method used by any married woman or her husband for the purpose of limiting the number of child. The anguish caused by such unwanted pregnancies may be presumed to constitute a grave injury to the mental health of a pregnant woman. In determination whether the continuance of pregnancy would involve such risk of injury to the health as it mentioned in subsector, account may be taken of the pregnant woman actual or responsible, reasonable, foreseeable environment. No pregnancy of a woman has not attained the age of 18 years or who have attained the age of 18 years is a lunatic, shall be terminated except with the consent in writing of her guardian, save as otherwise provided in clause. No pregnancy shall be terminated except with the consent of the pregnant woman. No termination of pregnancy shall be made in accordance with the Act at any place other than a hospital established or maintained by the government, a place of for the time being possessed for the purpose of this act by the government, the provision of the section 4 and so much of the provisions of subsection 2 of subsection 3 as relate to the length of the pregnancy and the opinion of not less than 2 registered medical practitioners shall not apply. The termination of a pregnancy by a registered medical practitioner in a case where he is of opinion performed in good faith that the termination of such pregnancy is immediately necessary to save the life of the pregnant woman. Notwithstanding anything contained in the Indian Penal Code, the termination of the pregnancy by a person who is not registered medical practitioner shall be an offence punishable under the code, and the code shall not to the extent stand modified. No termination of pregnancy shall be made in accordance with the Act any place other than a hospital established or maintained by government, a place for the time being approved for the purpose of this section. So much of provisions of clause of section 2 as relate to the possession by a registered medical practitioner of experience or training in gynecology and obstetrics shall not apply. The central government may, by notification in the official gazette, the central government may, by notification in the official gazette, make rules to carry out the provisions of this act. In particular, act with prejudice to the generality of the foregoing power. Such rules may provide for all or any of the following matters, namely the experience or training or both which a registered medical practitioner shall have if he intend to terminate any pregnancy under this act, and such other matters as are required to be or may be provided by rules made under this Act. Every rule made be by the central government under this Act shall be laid as soon as may be after it is made before each House of Parliament while it is in session for a total period of the 30 days, which may be compressed in one session or in two successive sessions, and if before the expiry of the session in which it is so laid or the session immediately following, both House agreed in making any modification in the rule, or both House agree such modified form agree that the rule should not be made, the rule shall thereafter have effect only in such modified form, or be of no effect as the case may be. So, however, that any such modification or annulment shall be without prejudice to the validating of anything previously done under that rule. The state government may, by regulations, requires any such opinion as is referred, re-referred to in subsection 2 of the section 2 to be certified by a registered medical practitioner or practitioners concerned in such form and at such time as may be specified in such regulations, and the preservation or disposal of such certificates requires any registered medical practitioner who terminate a pregnancy to give intimation of such termination and such other information relating to the termination as may be specified in such regulations. Prohibit the disclosure except to such persons and for such purpose as may be specified in such regulations of limitation, intimation given or information furnished in pursuance of such regulations. The intimation given and the information furnished in pursuance of regulations made by virtue of clause B of subsection A shall be given or furnished as the case may be to the chief medical officer of the state. Any person who willfully contravenes or willfully fails to the comply with the requirements of any regulation made under the subsection 1 shall be liable not be punished with fine which may extend to 1000 rupee. No suit or other legal proceeding shall lie against any registered medical practitioner for any damage caused or likely to be caused by anything which is in good faith done or intended to be done under this act. Ministry of Health and Family Planning, Department of Family Planning, in exercise of the powers conferred by Section 6 of the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971, the central government hereby makes the following rules, namely short title and commencement. The rules may be called the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Rules 1975. Second, they shall come into force on the date of their publication in the official gazette. Definitions: in these rules, unless the contest otherwise requires an act, means the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971, 34th of 1971b, Chief Medical Officer of the district, means the Chief Medical Officer of a district by whatever name called. Form means a form appended to these rules. Owner in relation to a place means any person who is administrative head or otherwise responsible for the working maintenance of such hospital or clinic by whatever name called. Place means such building, tent, vehicle or vessel or a part thereof as is used for establishment or maintenance therein of a hospital or clinic, which is used or intended to be used for the termination of pregnancy. Section means a section of the act. Experience or training. For the purpose of clause D of section 2, a registered medical practitioner shall have one or more of the following: experience or training in a gynecology of obstetrics, namely in the case of a medical practitioner who was registered in a state medical register immediately before the commencement of the act. Experience in the practice of gynecology and obstetrics for a period of not less than 3 years in case of medical practitioner who was registered in a state medical register on or off after the date of the commencement of the act. If he has completed 6 months of house surgency in gynecology and obstetrics, or unless the following facilities are provided therein, if he had experience of at any hospital for a period of not less than 1 year in the practice of obstetrics and gynecology, if he has assisted as a registered medical practitioner in the performance of 25 cases of the medical termination of pregnancy in a hospital, establishment established or maintained or a training institute approved for this purpose by the government, in the case of medical practitioner who has been registered in a state medical register and who hold a postgraduate degree or diploma in gynecology and obstetrics. The experience or training gained during the course of such degree or diploma. Approval of a place. No place shall be approved under clause B of section 4 unless the government is satisfied that termination of pregnancies may be done therein under safe and hygienic conditions, and unless the following facilities are provided therein, namely an operation table and instrument for performing abdominal or gynecological surgery, anesthetic equipment, resuscitation equipment and sterilization equipment, drugs and parenteral fluids for emergency use. Every application for the approval or of a place shall be in a form and be addressed to the Chief Medical Officer of the district. On receipt of an application referred to in a sub-rule, the Chief Medical Officer of the district shall verify or inquiry any information contained in any such application or inspect any such place, any information place in view with a view to satisfying himself that the facilities referred to in sub-rule are provided therein and that termination of pregnancies may be made therein under safe and hygienic conditions. Every owner of the place which is inspected by the chief medical officer of the district shall afford all reasonable facilities for the inspection of the place. The chief medical officer of the district may, if he is satisfied, and such verification, inquiries or inspection as may be considered necessary, that termination of pregnancy may be done under safe and hygienic conditions at the place recommend the approval of such place to the government. The government may, after considering the application and the recommendations of a chief medical officer of the district, approve such place and issue a certificate for approval in Form B. The certificate of approval issued by the government shall be conspicuously displayed at the place to be easily visible to persons visiting the place. Inspection of a place approved under Rule 4 may be inspected by the Chief Medical Officer of the district as often as may be necessary with a view to verify whether termination of pregnancy is being done there under safe and hygienic conditions. If the chief medical officer has reason to believe that there has been death or of any injury to a pregnant woman at the place, for that termination of pregnancy is not being done at the place under the safe and hygienic condition, he may call for any information or may be seized any article, medical admission register or other document maintained, kept or found at the place. The provisions of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973-2 of 1974 relating to seizure that all that so far as may be apply to seizure made under subrogacy. Cancellation or suspension of certificate of approval. If after inspection of any place approval under Rule 4, the Chief Medical Officer of the district is satisfied that the facilities specified in Rule 4 are not being properly maintained therein, and the termination of the pregnancy at such place cannot be made under safe and hygienic conditions. He shall make a report of the fact to government, giving the detail of the deficiencies or defects found at the place. One on receipt of such report, the government may, after giving the owner of the place a reasonable opportunity to being heard, either cancel the certificate of approval or suspend the same for such period as it being may think fit. Where a certificate issued under Rule 4 is cancelled or suspended, the owner of the place may make such additions or improvements in the place as he may think fit, and thereafter he may make an application to the government for the issue of to him of a fresh certificate or approval under Rule 4, or as the case may be, for the revival of the certificate which was suspended under Sub-Rule 1. The provision of Rule 4 shall, as far as may apply to an application for the issue of a fresh certificate of approval in relation to a place, or as the case may be, for the revival of a suspended, as they apply to any an application for the issue of a certificate of approval under that rule. In the event of suspension of a certificate of approval, the place shall not be deemed to be an approved place for the purpose of termination of pregnancy from the date of communication of the order of such suspension. The owner of a place who is aggrieved by an order made under the Rule 6 make an application for review of the order to the government within a period of 60 days from the date of such order. The government may, after giving the owner an opportunity of being heard, confirm, modify or revise the order. Form of consent. The consent referred to in sub-reaction of subsection 4 or section 3 shall be given in form repeal and saving the medical termination of pregnancy rule 1972 are hereby repealed except as respect things done or omitted to be done before such repeal. Form A. See sub-rule 2 or Rule 4. Form of application for the approval of the place under clause of section 4. Name of the place, address in full, non-government private nursing home or institution for state if the following facilities are available at the place: an operation table and instruments for performance abdominal or gynecology surgery, drugs and parenteral fluid is sufficient supply, emergency case, anesthetic equipment, resuscitation equipment and sterilization equipment, place, date, signature of the owner of the place, strike out whichever it is not applicable. Form B, sub C sub rule 6 or rule certificate of approval. The place described below is hereby approved for the purpose of the medical termination of pregnancy act 1971. Name of the place, address or other description, name of the owner, place, date to the government of the India. Form C, rule 8. These regulations may be called the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Regulations 1975. They extend to all the Union territories. They shall come into force on the date of their publication in the official gazette. Definitions in the regulations unless the context of the world forms or certifying opinion or opinions. Custody of forms the consent given by the pregnant woman for the termination of her pregnancy together with the certified opinion recorded under section 3 or section 5 as the case may be, and the intimation of termination of pregnancy shall be placed in an envelope which shall be scaled by the registered medical practitioner or practitioners by whom such termination of pregnancy was performed, and until that envelope is sent to the head of hospital or owner of the approved place in the chief medical officer of the state it shall be kept in the sole custody of the concerned registered medical practitioner or practitioners as the case may be. On every envelope referred to in sub-regulation pertaining the termination of the pregnancy under section 3 shall be noted the serial number assigned to the pregnant woman in the admission register and the name of the registered medical practitioner or practitioners by whom the pregnancy was terminated, and such envelope shall be marked secret. Every envelope referred to in sub-regulations shall be sent immediately after the termination of the pregnancy to the head of the hospital or owner of the approved place where the pregnancy was terminated. On receipt of the envelope referred to in sub-regulation, the head of the hospital or owner of the approved place shall arrange to keep the same in safe custody. Every head of the hospital or owner of the approved place shall send to the chief medical officer of the state a weekly statement of the case where medical termination of the pregnancy has been done. On every envelope referred to the sub-regulation pertaining to a termination of pregnancy under section 5 shall be noted the name and address of the registered medical practitioner by whom the pregnancy was terminated and the date on which the pregnancy was terminated, and such envelope shall be marked secret. Explanation: the columns pertaining to the hospital or approved place and the serial number assigned to a pregnant woman in the admission registered shall be left blank. Informed in the case of termination performed under section 5 where the pregnancy is not terminated in an approved place or hospital, every medical officer of the state on the same day on which the pregnancy was terminated or on the working day the next following the day on which the pregnancy was terminated, provided that where that pregnancy is terminated in an approved place or hospital, the procedure provided in sub-regulation 1 to 6 shall be followed. Maintenance of admission register. Every head of the hospital or owner of the approved place shall maintain a registered in Form 3rd for recording therein the admission of or woman for the termination of their pregnancy. The entries in the admission register shall be made serially and fresh serials shall be started at the commencement of each calendar year. The serial number of the particular year shall be distinguished from the serial number of the particular year shall be distinguished of other year by mentioning the year against the serial number. For example, serial number 5 of 1972 and serial number 5 of 1973 shall be mentioned 5/1972 and 5/1973. The admission register shall be a secret document and the notification contained therein as to name and other particulars of the pregnant woman shall not be disclosed to any person. Admission registered not be open to inspection. The admission registered shall be kept in the safe custody of the head of the hospital or owner of the approved place or by person authorized by such head or owner, and save as otherwise provided in sub-regulations 5. Regulations 4 shall not be opened in inspection by any person except under the authority of, in the case of department or other inquiry, the chief secretary of the government of a union territory. In the case of any investigation into the offence, a magistrate of the first class within the local limit or those jurisdiction the hospital or approved place is situated. In the case of suit or other action for damages, the district judge within the local limit of whose jurisdiction the hospital or approved place is situated, provided that the registered medical practitioner shall, on the application of an employed woman whose pregnancy shall has been terminated, grant a certificate for the purpose of enabling her to obtain leave from her employer, provided further that any such employer shall not disclose this information to any other person. Entries in the registered maintained in hospital or approved place. No entry shall be made in a case sheet, operation theatre, registered follow-up card, or any other document or registered kept except the admission register maintained at any hospital or approved place, indicating therein the name of the pregnant woman and the reference to the pregnant woman shall be made therein by the serial number assigned to such woman in the admission register. Destructions of admission registers or other papers, save as otherwise directed by the Chief Secretary to the Union Territory Administration or for in relation to any proceeding pending before him, as directed by a district judge or a magistrate of first class. Every admission registered shall be destroyed on the expiry of a period of 5 years from the date of the last entry in the registered, and other papers on the expiry of a period of 3 years from the date of the termination of pregnancy concerned secret. Form 1 Regulations. Full name, address, full address, signatures, practitioner signatures, and registered medical practitioner signatures. Form 2 Ministry of Extract from the Gazette of India, Section 3. Qualification of the registered medical practitioners in block letter. Registered medical practitioners in block letters. Qualification of registered medical practitioners. Registered medical practitioner sign of the pregnant woman. Account may be taken of the pregnant woman is actual or reasonable foreseeable environment in determining whether the continuance of the pregnancy would involve in grave injury to her physical or mental health. Place, date, signature of a registered medical practitioner, signature of the registered medical practitioners. Form 2 regulations. Religion of a woman. 6. Reason of termination. There are some reasons of the termination. Total number of the under each subhead. Danger to life of the pregnant woman. Grave injury to the physical health of the pregnant woman. Grave injury to the mental health of the pregnant woman. Pregnancy caused by rape. Substantial risk that if the child was born to suffer from such physical or mental abnormalities as to be seriously handicapped. Failure of any contraceptive device. Signature of officer in charge. So this is the Medical Termination of the Pregnancy Act.